Hi everyone, do you have coffee pods? Do you have a coffee machine and you're looking for a metal coffee station organizer? Let me introduce this amazing coffee or station organizer from the brand uh, Create Create Seas. This is the brand here, and I'm super excited to open it and show you how it looks like. It's white, it has a shelf. Wow, I'm super excited for it. It has coffee engraved, like print, not print, it's just like a little holes, little cuts in the name of coffee with a coffee cup. Has hooks from the side. Look how gorgeous the final result is. I love this marble shelf. I love the hooks. I love the color. It's amazing. So it's time to put the coffee pods in it. Look how nice the final result. It's beautiful. It looks amazing on my counter. Wow. The coffee pods, they are very nicely arranged, and of course you can use the little hooks here on the side if you need them. I love it, and I hope you like it. Enjoy your coffee with this beautiful, beautiful coffee stand. Thank you.